morning, Joleen. Good morning. Good morning, Chief. You don't like the camera? Huh? Here. Here. You want a treat? Hey, buddy. Huh? You don't like the camera, do you? Here. Good morning.
Good morning, friends. Shannon here with Old Oaks Farm. The farm that is, well, it's not a farm yet, exactly. It's mostly still in my head. But we're trying to make it a reality. I'm sorry that it's been too long since I've posted, over a week since I've posted a new episode of Homestead Rehab. Just had a busy week last week, and there's just no other way to put it. I just didn't have time to film everything and edit and put it up. So, but this week's going to be different. I'm going to try to get every day going and doing regular daily vlog. So, if you don't want to miss something, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell that notifies you when there's a new episode so that you'll know when we put one out. We got a lot to do this week. 3 going concerns here on the farm this week. One is making a huge push to try to get into the house. Hopefully we can move in next week, but this week is all going to be about just working from sun up till sundown, getting this house ready for us to move into. The farmhouse is not going to be ready it's not going to be finished when we move in, but we want to get moved in so we can be here and start working on getting the farm done. The third thing is we've got some plants started. I've got some fall lettuce started, but we got to get it in the ground. It started. I'll show you in just a minute in the house. We've got the trays in there, but we got to make some beds and get a crop in the ground if we're going to have any lettuce this fall and winter. So that's something else. We've got a lot of work to do on that. We've got to make sure we get the right spot. We've got to prepare the beds. It's going to take a lot of work to get that done. That's got to get done, at least started this week also. And then number 3 is just kind of a simple little thing, but I've got to combine my chicken flock. I've got my Orpington flock and then my varied flock. I call it my variety flock, if you will. 6 birds in each. I've been trying to get them accustomed to each other, letting them free range out together. But I need to get them in the same chicken tractor so that I don't have to mess with it. It's just be a lot easier. And they're old enough. The young ones are starting to lay. The variety flock's starting to lay. So I got to get them combined together so that I can just move one flock around and just mess with one flock. Right now I'm dealing with 2 different flocks, and it's just a lot more work than it needs to be. So 3 things we've got going on this week, and why don't you come with us, come along with us, and you can just watch while we get this homestead rehabbed. Let's go. I want to show you guys my squash plant is still putting off these long runners and beautiful yellow blooms, blossoms, and these little, sort of a little bit smaller than baseball sized gourds are just all over it, and I have no idea. I've got all these gourds that probably at least a couple hundred at least of these little gourds that I have no idea what good they're for. I wonder if some of these crazy craft people might buy them for decorations. What do you think? Could I put them on eBay and sell them to some crazy craft people? Maybe. So here you can see my lettuce starts. I need to water and turn them. They're here by the window, so they're growing toward the light. We've got supplemental light here as well. This is a lettuce mix from High Mowing, and this is a different lettuce mix, mesclun mix here. And then there's some more mesclun mix I just planted a couple days ago, hasn't germinated yet. This is spinach. So we're gonna probably be another week in here, and then we'll put them outside to harden off, and then we're going to have to get them in the ground in another 10 days to 2 weeks. So we've got a lot of work to do with that. And I'm really happy with my spinach coming up there. That looks pretty good looking spinach there. And my mesclun mix, you can see not all of it germinated, but enough of it did, and I'm still learning how to germinate. So I need to get some more started, but I don't have any more room. And I have some trays, but I don't have any more bottom trays. So I'm going to have to clear out and make some more room down this way, I think, to get some more starts going.
Because I don't know what I'm doing in that situation.
Oh,
I didn't know that. I don't know how to measure that or whatever.
just regular toilets, just not a...
She said round or oval. We got to
Round.
know round or oval. Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Honey, stop. I'm trying to talk to you.
All right, we had a pretty productive day today. We got the toilet put in, we got the mirror over the sink in the bathroom put in, the vanity light in the bathroom put in. We got the rest of the subfloor cleaned up and screwed down in Landon's room. So tomorrow we're ready to start putting the laminate flooring down in Landon's room, and we're off and running from there. Still a lot to do, but we're moving along. So tonight is the first night. The chickens are all going to sleep in the same coop. It's about 6:45 right now. It'll be getting dark here in just a few minutes. So I've got the other coop put where they can't get in. So I'm going to see if maybe they'll just all go in together. If they don't, I'll have to come out of here after dark and just kind of scoop them all in and put them all in there together. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, if you want to keep up with what's going on, not miss an episode of our Homestead Rehab here at Old Oak Farm, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Till tomorrow, I'm Shannon. I'll see you later.